It's simple time and this is Chef Tatong, and today magluluto tayo ng isang dish na medyo sosyal pero sobrang simple gawin. Kaya ready na ba kayo? Let's start cooking!
Simple, luto na, ha-ha.
Itong recipe nito, favorite to sa mga taong mahilig sa mga sizzling food, no? So we're gonna make a very simple recipe inspired by the popular pepper steak fast food restaurant. And what I'm going to use here is I have some beef. Ito siya mga 500 grams of beef na cut very thin. Di pang sukiyaki siya, no? Or this is made of pork, beef belly or brisket. What are we going to do next? We will make the sauce. Simple din ating sauce. So meron tayong soy sauce. You can use regular soy sauce, or if meron kang Japanese soy sauce, use Japanese soy sauce. You can add honey if you want it to be sweeter. Kung wala kayong honey, you can use sugar, no? And to add a little bit of flavor, we're gonna add a little bit of grated garlic. You can mince it, you can pound it, and a little bit of ginger. So meron akong ginger root. So I'm using a young ginger root para hindi siya masyadong mahibla. Yan, that's good enough. And to thicken my sauce, I have here around 1/4 cup of water, just, tap water, and a tablespoon of cornstarch. Yan. Dissolve that. Sobrang easy. You can make this sauce ahead of time. Just put it there, mix. And I will add black pepper, around half a teaspoon of black pepper. And also here, a little bit of sesame oil to give that nutty, very Asian aroma. Watch over the sauce para hindi nagbubuo yung cornstarch sa ilalim. We're just going to let that thicken. As soon as it thickens, you see, as soon as it thickens, okay na siya. Turn it off. And I will just put my, sauce. Just a little bit of the sauce. Yan. So, my pan is heated up. You have to make sure that your rice is hot. Yan. Then just put it in the center. Yan, center. So, remove ko lang yung bowl. Pasensya na, mainit guys. And what I do, I have just a little bit of oil. And you arrange the pieces of beef. Ito, hatiin mo to sa apat, for apat na tao. Yan. Yan, I love samgyeopsal. Then, of course, we have our onions. At least 1/4 of an onion per person. Yan. Yan, look at that. Everything sizzling away. And, very easy, guys. So, yung sauce natin, which we made earlier, we just drizzle around. Yan, And to finish, we just drizzle a little bit of dried parsley and top with, of course, our buttered corns. And we just drizzle with spring onions. Oh my God, ang sarap nito. Ito yung ating version ng sizzling pepper steak. At tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto. Basta, simple! Did you enjoy this video? Please follow and subscribe to our official pages. And of course, tag a friend as well.